In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable week numbers in your Google Calendar. This handy feature can add a little extra context and organization to your scheduling, especially if you manage timelines and deadlines in terms of weekly segments. Let's start by opening Google. You'll want to look for the Google Apps icon, which is typically located in the top right corner. It's that small grid or waffle-shaped icon next to your Google account profile picture. Go ahead and give that a click. You'll see a drop-down menu that displays all of the Google apps you're familiar with, like Gmail, Drive, and most importantly for us today, Calendar. Locate Calendar from this list and select it to open up your Calendar view. Once your Google Calendar has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page again. Here you'll find a gear icon. This represents your settings. Click on that gear icon and you should see a small drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the full Settings option to be taken to your Calendar settings page. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you should see a range of options on the left side of your screen under the General tab, including language and region settings, notification settings, and more. You're going to look for the View Options section. This is where you'll find various customization options that affect how your calendar is displayed. Once you've located the View Options section, scroll down slightly and you'll see an option that says Show Week Numbers. There's a checkbox next to it, and to enable week numbers, you simply need to check this box. By doing this, you're telling Google Calendar to display week numbers down the left-hand side of your calendar, making it easier for you to plan on a week-by-week basis. And there you have it, you're all set. Your Google Calendar will now display week numbers along with your usual dates, events, and appointments. This small tweak can make a significant difference in how you visualize and organize your time, especially if you're managing projects or workflows that rely on weekly schedules. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on enabling week numbers in Google Calendar. Feel free to explore the other settings in your calendar as well. They can be quite helpful in optimizing your planning workflows. Keep learning and stay organized.